Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Obsidian Sync step by step clearly. To start subscribing to Obsidian Sync, first, open your Obsidian application on your device. Ensure you are signed in with your Obsidian account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Obsidian website to create one. Next, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, locate and select the sync option. You will see information about Obsidian Sync and its features. A new window will appear, displaying available subscription plans. Review the different plans to decide which one best suits your needs. You might be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in all required fields accurately for a smooth transaction. After entering your payment details, confirm your subscription. Once your payment is processed, Obsidian Sync will be activated. You may need to enable sync for specific vaults. Select the vaults you want to sync by checking the appropriate boxes. After making your selections, click the Save button to apply your changes. Now, your selected vaults will begin syncing automatically. You can check the sync status in the Sync Settings section. If you wish to manage your subscription later, return to the Settings menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.